You get tired of those same old salmon recipes? Well, I've got a game changer for you. And no, it's not soaked in butter. It's all about the marinade. Watch this. You only need a few ingredients for this marinade, but just make sure they're fresh. First, you're going to chop up some garlic and do the same to some parsley. Next, grab some olive oil and drizzle that all over those herbs. For flavor, I'm using that straight drop rub. Think of Old Bay without all that extra salt. You can get it from UncleDibs.com. Add a little lemon juice and then give everything a mix. Next, place your salmon fillets in a Ziploc bag and then pour that flavorful marinade all over your salmon. Give everything a good mix so everything's well coated. Throw that in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. The longer, the better. While you're waiting, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. When your salmon is done marinating, go ahead and pour it into an oven-safe dish. Make sure you get any of that reserved marinade all over your salmon. Hit it with a little bit more of that straight drop rub and then bake for 12 to 15 minutes. And just like that, in no time, you got a nice, healthy, flavorful dish for dinner. When you plate this up, throw on a little bit of lemon and some fresh dill, and you'll be good to go. To get this full recipe, visit the link in my bio. That's good, shawty.